nandun yung danger. Kung yung armed forces at saka yung PNP ay ma-recruit out at mabayaran yung mga commander, o kaya yung mga sa ilalim ng mga commander pwedeng ma-undermine, we do not know. That's the possibility. Na pagka nasara yung ring, good luck, Philippines. Good luck, because we will have a very, very corrupt society, a very, very corrupt system. We have now a very corrupt, excuse me, we now have a very, very corrupt system. So, hindi ko bigilos yung armed forces saka yung PNP, iniintay ninyo, hindi yun kikilos. Ang dapat kumilos, taong bayan. You shout out, sabihin nyo, teka, tama na yan, mali yung ginagawa ninyo. Bibi, mali yung ginagawa mo. Lisa, mali yung ginagawa mo. Tamba, mali yung ginagawa mo.